Some people aren't who they say they are. Be cautious of the company you keep. You never know what someone is going through. Be kind, always. At the end of the day, your biggest competition is you. Life doesn't get easier, you just get stronger. You have to make the decision to let go of the past if you want to move forward. Anything that annoys you is teaching you patience. Don't allow someone else to kill your dreams. Happy people focus on what they have. Unhappy people focus on what's missing. Worrying will never change the outcome, so why to worry? Successful people want others to succeed. Unsuccessful people want others to fail. Some people want it happen. Some people wish it would happen. Others make it happen. One close friendship is better than a bunch of acquaintances. You live most of your life inside your head. Make sure it's a nice place to be. A tongue has no bones, but it is strong enough to hurt someone. Choose your words carefully. Give yourself time. It takes time to grow. Most people just want to be in the result and not in the process. And it's in the process where you realize who deserves to be in the result. The more you know, the less you need to say. Appreciate those who don't give up on you. What do you want to be when you are older? Happy. But when you are older, you want to be a child. A person with an idea and vision will always outcompete a person who only sees money. A king isn't born, he is made. When you overthink everything, you end up hurting yourself. If you look really closely, most overnight successes took a long time. When a person can't find a deep sense of meaning, they distract themselves with pleasure. You don't need a reason to help people. There are two minds, mindful and mindful. Learn to be in present and enjoy the moment. Who did you notice more? A crow of bird or just a bird? Dare to be different. You were born to stand out. Don't wait for success to find you. Go and take it.